Today is September 13, 2024, Friday the 13th. Here are some fun facts about Friday the 13th. Number 1. Origins in fear. The superstition around Friday the 13th is believed to stem from two separate fears, Fridays and the number 13. In Christian tradition, Friday is considered unlucky because Jesus was crucified on a Friday. Meanwhile, the number 13 is often associated with bad luck due to events like the Last Supper where 13 people were present. Number 2. Fear of Friday the 13th. There's actually a term for the fear on this day which is called
paraskevidekatrialphobia.
Some people are so superstitious that they would avoid important tasks or even traveling on this date. Number 3. The 13 Club. In the late 19th century, Captain William Fowler founded the 13 Club in New York to challenge the superstition. Members will walk under ladders and break other unlucky traditions during their meetings held on the 13th of the month. Number 4. Famous Friday the 13th events. Some significant events occurred on this date, including the 1972 Andes flight disaster, where a plane crashed into the mountains. Also, the stock market crash of 1989, dubbed the Friday the 13th mini crash. Number 5. Friday the 13th in pop culture. The day is also famous due to the horror movie franchise Friday the 13th, which added to the fear and mystery around this date. The movie centers around a masked killer named Jason and became a pop culture phenomenon. Overall, in my opinion, Friday the 13th has become a blend of superstition, historical references, and modern day pop culture.